Hello friends, in this tutorial we will see slot command. The slot command procedure is same like rib command. Okay, both are same, but rib command is add the material and the slot command is remove the material from the object. Okay, let's start the session. First of all, open the CATIA software and click on start in menu bar, select mechanical design, select part design and click OK. Okay, here now we will select the XY plane. Okay, and create a rectangle. Okay, now click on exit workbench and then give the length to the pad is 45. Okay, and preview. Okay, now on this face we will create a profile. Select spline command and select a profile. Okay, and escape. Now this point is coincide to this line. Select both and click on coincidence. Okay, now we will create a profile. Just click on exit workbench and select this face to create a profile. Okay, select this face and click on sketch command. Okay, now select the circle command and create a circle. Okay, now this center point of the circle is coincide with this point. Okay, and this, now both are coincide. Okay, now click on exit workbench. Here select rib slot command, select a profile and select the center curve. Okay, and see and preview. This profile, this circle profile is remove the material with the help of along with center curve. Otherwise we will delete this profile. Okay, and OK, and select this spline and create another plane normal to the spline and select this face. Okay, and preview. Okay, select this new created plane and click on sketch command. Okay, now here we will create a circle. Okay, and this circle and this point of the spline is coincide with the both to each other. Okay, now we will click on exit workbench. Here select the slot command, select the profile and select the spline. Okay, now see. This also will use. Okay, according our sketch requirement. Okay, select the thick option and give the thickness to the slot. Okay, now we will increase the thickness. Okay, and this thickness also, and we will see what is exact difference. Okay, see, with the this is created with thick profile. Double click on this other, or click on this and click on this slot. Okay, and deselect the option of thick profile and preview. Okay, and okay, this is a final object. Okay, thank you.